Hi, this is John with WETI. And right now, I've been trying to change all the way from bar soaps all the way to body gels. And this right here by Men+Care, this extra refreshing body wash, it's just great. And let me tell you already, I've got compliments without using fragrances just by wearing this. This is given the freshest and great scent that I've had in any body wash that I've had before. And it's just simple. You have this, you pretty much can take it anywhere. I would get like really small containers, so whenever I'm traveling or I'm going to somewhere else that I'm not aware that if I'm gonna have like good bar soaps, this one here, it just does the job. Any circumstance or any situation that you need to get a quick bath, you're gonna get a great smell that people are even gonna compliment you. You're gonna feel good because you're smelling nice and clean. This one is great. So this was John with WTI, and that was my point of view.